Consistency is hard, but you can make it way easier once you've understand this one concept. Never only go with one metric of success. Never only go with measuring your success with only one indicator. So for example, okay, you want to be consistent at exercising. Do not only count it as a win only when you see your muscle go bigger and bigger and bigger, okay? Do not only use your muscle as indicator of success. You also wanted to use discipline as a measure of success. You wanted to build discipline and also you wanted to build muscle. So here's the thing, if you only go for the muscle, okay, you exercise and you don't see any muscle yet, well, big chance you are going to stop, okay, because you don't find any reason in continuing. But the thing here is that when you also go for the discipline, okay, the mental battle to show up every single day. Even when you haven't seen the muscle yet, if you manage to show up every single day, you will still see it as a win because you have defeated your lazy version of yourself and choose to show up. Okay, you are still going to see it as a win. When you see it as a win, you are going to show up every single day. Big chance you are going to show up even higher. Okay, the probability is going to be even higher. And when you stick to the exercising consistently on the long run, paradoxically, big chances you are also going to get the another results, which is the muscle. This is for today's date. I'll fantasy the post, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edit it by myself. Thank you.